I think he's doing it, man.
What are you doing?
Shotgunning.
Oh, okay. You're doing that camera.
Oh, man! Starting it off right. Welcome to Rim Road, Coop.
Rim Road.
Welcome.
He's got a huge chunk of meat here. You know what?
What is that?
How did Mike only get $15 for